Hi everyone, my name is Juliette Pascal. I'm one of the co-founders of Incling and I'm excited to share our online platform with you today. After working in both social and market research, I founded Incling in 2013 in collaboration with a developer. We're both passionate about merging technology with qualitative research and set out to create a market research online community platform which is easy, engaging and enjoyable for both researchers and participants to use. Today, we're a team of researchers and developers who specialize in building and running online community platforms for insight communities and qualitative studies. Our online communities come in many different shapes and sizes, and our platform can be used to run anything from short-term ad hoc qualitative studies to online focus groups or interviews and longer-term insight communities. We offer a flexible solution which allows you to hire the platform as a DIY solution and to set up your own community, or to work with our team of researchers who can support you with recruitment, setup, onboarding, moderation, translation, and analysis as and when you require it. The Incling platform is available on mobile, tablet, and desktop in 22 languages. This has allowed us to have over 300,000 qualitative conversations with participants all over the world. We have a wide range of tools on the platform which allow you to design custom and engaging studies. In the past, these have ranged from mobile diaries with women in Saudi Arabia about beauty products, to online focus groups with soft drink consumers in Russia, and facilitating a 4-year-long conversation between a water utility company and their customers. Some of the key differentiators of the Incling platform include the ability to run asynchronous tasks alongside online focus groups and interviews. You can host both your pre-task and live discussion in the same platform. We don't place any limits on the number of tasks, video uploads, focus groups or interviews conducted, downloads or researcher accounts. To make it easy, we charge a flat day rate whether you run 1 or 20 tasks in that day, and this rate decreases the longer you have the platform for. You can also choose to purchase the platform on an ad hoc or annual basis, and we'll never charge you for dormant time if you plan to take a more agile or iterative approach. We also have a range of integrated and automated tools to help facilitate multi-market research, like automated transcripts, translations, and text analytics. If you choose to work with Incling, we'll also ensure you have a dedicated community manager, all the training and support you require, as well as access to your platform for up to 4 weeks after your research is complete for analysis. Finally, you'll see as we go through the platform, we place a lot of emphasis on design and usability, and this is crucial for the participant and researcher's experience. I'll now take you through a brief demo of the Incling platform tools and capabilities. This is the sign-up page, and the very first page participants will see as they join your community. The first thing to note about the Incling platform is you have the option of setting up a screener and directing participants to the platform if you'd like to recruit directly from a database. All participants can be preloaded and all of the information you have about them added to their account, so it's easily accessible when you start to work through the insights. To make a positive first impression and to give a more human face to the research, we recommend our clients add a welcome video to this page. This helps set the tone and expectations for the research. After a participant or researcher has signed up and created their account, they will land on the Incling homepage. This is the central hub of the community and where all of the discussions, activities and groups will take place. The first thing worth noting is that our platform can be fully customized to suit the look and feel of your brand or the topic you're discussing. You can easily change the logo, color scheme and images used. It's also worth noting that we have several different account types to accommodate participants, researchers, recruiters and clients. The view of all these account types is exactly the same. The only difference is some of the features are either present or absent depending on the permissions available to that account. For example, a participant cannot access the admin tool on the right-hand side. I'm going to be showing you the researcher's perspective of the Incling platform. As I scroll down, you'll see a series of tiles. Each of these tiles represents a discussion, task or activity that the participant can take part in. You have complete control over when these go live, what order they appear in, whether they're private or open to all. You can also target tasks so they're only available to certain segments or groups, and sequence tasks so that they are done together or in a particular order. As a participant, you'll get an email notification when you have a new activity or discussion to join, as well as a notification on the platform. You will also have a handy to-do list, as well as a visible tick on a tile when you've completed a task to keep you up to date. Let's go through the types of activities and tasks you can set up on the incling platform. At the moment, we have 11 different task types which can be customized and used in a variety of ways. We have an in-house development team who are continuously adding to the list of features and tools available. I'm going to quickly run through some of the task types we have available and how they can be used. I'm going to start off by showing you our live chat tool before moving on to the asynchronous tools we have available. Our live chat tool is designed to allow you to conduct live focus groups, mini groups, or in-depth interviews directly on the platform. You can choose to run your live chat as a text or video-based session and can invite an unlimited number of observers to view the session. You have the ability to preload your discussion guide and share questions, concepts, or videos with the participants. You can also invite observers to follow and share their thoughts in the observer chat on the right-hand side. This chat is only visible to the moderators and observers. If you are running live chats in multiple languages, you can also invite a translator to use our simultaneous translation channel. Observers will have the option of flicking between the original audio and translated audio as they watch the groups. The output for live chat is a recording with an automatically generated transcript. If you're running groups with a simultaneous translator, you will get 2 sets of recordings and a transcript for each group, one with the original audio and one with the translated audio. Now I'd like to take a look at our asynchronous tools, starting with discussions. Discussions can be used to ask participants to blog about their experiences or opinions and can be set up as completely private one-to-one discussions, open to all participants or unbiased, so participants have to post before they can see other comments. These settings are available across all of our tasks. Participants can add photos, videos, screenshots, or PDFs to their posts if they'd like, and researchers can easily respond by commenting, liking, or sharing the comment with other researchers on the platform. If you're doing research in multiple languages, you also have the option of using our auto-translate tool. This is built into all of our platforms and comes at no additional cost. Let's take a look at our photo and video task type. These tasks are particularly useful if you want to capture in-the-moment feedback and get a richer sense of the participants' world. For example, we recently ran a video diary with home-based bakers in the US and asked them to share their baking processes, products, and kitchen with us. This is also a good opportunity for us to showcase our auto-transcription feature, which you can see directly below the video. This is generated by machines, automatically processed, and loaded against any video that's added to the platform. It's also worth saying at this point that participants can load photos and videos from any device. They can easily share their worlds via their mobiles directly to the platform. Concept evaluation is a great tool for testing adverts, prototypes, design, and messages. We've had clients use it to test everything from beer packaging design to new website layouts. You can test static concepts or video concepts if you prefer. You can also test multiple concepts at the same time and present them in a rotated order to each participant to avoid any bias. You also have the option of limiting the time that the concept is visible for if you want to get a clear first impression or hide confidential information after it's been seen. The concept evaluation has 3 steps to it. The first step is the first impression step, where participants select an emoticon to reflect how they feel about the concept and share their thoughts. After that, they're navigated to the pinning step, where they are asked to pin their feedback directly to the concept. This is what it would look like if you were evaluating a video concept. As the participant clicks on the video, it pauses and they can add their feedback directly to that element of the video. The final step is a follow-up. In this step, you can have a more detailed conversation with participants about the concept and the direction you'd like to take it in. Each of these steps can be used independently or in combination. It is completely up to you. Let's take a look at our collage and media map tool. The collage tool is a great projective tool and often used before an interview or focus group. Participants can create collages from their own images, from images they find online, or from a selection of images provided by the research team. You can also upload a template in the background and ask participants to create a collage on the template if you want to be more directive about this task. Our media map tool allows you to compare brands, products, or concepts by asking participants to place the stimulus you've chosen on a map. You have full control over the map. You can make it a single axis or double axis. You can also upload your own template if you prefer. As with all of our tasks, the participants are encouraged to give a detailed response, an explanation of what it is they've created, and you have the ability to follow up with them off the back of that. With the screencast tool, you can ask participants to share their online journeys or experiences on a particular website or app with you. You can set up a series of questions and the tool will record the participant's screen and voice as they navigate through and use the website or app you've directed them to. This is great for usability research and to understand online customer journeys. The output you would get would be a video recording of the participant's screen and voice, as you can see in front of you now. You will also get an automated transcript of all the video feedback and have the ability to comment and respond to the video and ask for more detail. This can be done across websites and mobile apps. The Ideas Board has been designed with innovation and co-creation projects in mind. It allows you to share a brief with participants and to ask them to share their ideas in return. You can determine the fields you'd like the participants to fill in. For example, in this instance, we've asked for a title, a description, and a link to any other ideas that might be applicable. Once the participant has done that, they can navigate back to the ideas that have been shared by fellow participants and vote up the ones they feel are most applicable. They can also comment on each other's ideas and share feedback. The diary tool is useful when you want to capture feedback from participants at regular intervals or when they have a particular experience. It can be set up as a daily diary, customized to align with particular events, or be set up as an open diary so participants post whenever they have something to share. Participants can share photos, videos, and written posts. They can also share how they feel and their location if they choose to at that point. As a moderator, you can see a timeline of entries for each participant and can comment and probe if you'd like to get more detail. Last but not least, I'd like to take you through our survey tool. While a lot of our communities are designed to gather qualitative insight, we also host larger online communities, some of which have thousands of participants on them, and this requires a mix of qualitative and quantitative tools. Our survey tool has a range of question types available, including single select, multi-select, ranking, rating, matrix, text box, and fill-in-the-blank options. It also has the ability to pipe and route participants depending on the answers given. When it comes to viewing the results, we have built-in automated charting options to help you edit and extract the insights directly from the platform. Now that we've been through all of the tools available to help you gather feedback, I'd like to walk you through some of the analysis tools we have available to help you get to the insights. We have two levels of analysis tools and features. The first is researcher-led, the other is automated. Turning first to the researcher-led tools, the moderator has the ability across the task to highlight sections of posts they might find interesting. Once highlighted, they can add notes, create tags, and color code that particular post. This is all pulled through to our analysis dashboard, and this is a space where the moderator can begin to filter and sort through different posts by applying different filters. They can choose a date range, an activity type, a segment, and a number of different other filters. They can also revisit the tags they've created and the posts associated with those tags. This is a great tool if you have multiple moderators working on a community, all collaborating and feeding into the same report. I'd like to turn to the automated analysis tools. We also have text analytics built into the platform to help automatically extract and identify key themes. This is available against each individual task and can be filtered and refined if you want to exclude key terms or themes. You can easily click on a theme to see the posts that might be associated with it. Now, this exists at an individual task level, but can also be accessed at an overall community level. Again, at this level, you can exclude some of the terms if you don't want them to be part of the analysis. You can also filter and sort this by different users and different tasks. Once you've gathered your insights and you've started to pull reports and summaries together, you also have the option of sharing that information directly with your client in our backroom space. This is exclusively available to the researchers and the clients on the platform, and is a space where you can share documents and have a conversation about the insights that may be emerging. If you'd prefer to extract the data from the platform, you can use the download feature at any time. You can download content by task or participant. You can also choose the format you prefer to have it in. The platform will remain open for up to 4 weeks after the research is complete, so you'll have plenty of time to revisit the analysis or to extract the insights. Finally, if you're looking at setting up and running your own community, you'll want an easy way to review progress and manage participants. We've set up a participant management hub where you can easily review the progress of each participant, as well as set up email notifications and reminders. You can also check in on notifications to see who has received it, who has clicked on it, and what link they've used to access a particular task. That brings me to the end of the platform demo today. Thank you for watching and listening. If you'd like to find out more or to have a conversation about how we could potentially support you on the next project, please don't hesitate to reach out to info@incling.com.